Today I'm going to attempt to reset my DSG gearbox to factory settings. The reason is because whenever I pull away or I come to a stop, the transmission is a little bit clunky and sometimes the car pushes forward a little bit. So this hopefully will eliminate that issue. And I'm not going to be using any VCDS or any other tool. I'm going to do this manually. So this is how I'm going to do it. First, I'm going to have my foot all the way on the accelerator until it clicks. And once I have that pushed down, then I'm going to turn the ignition on, but I'm not starting the car. Just turn the ignition on. Then at this point, I'm going to count 1 minute. And I'm going to wait for 1 minute until everything is reset. This is applicable to any VW Audi Group cars. You can do this to your car, just to reset to factory settings and see if that works. Then once that is done, then you can drive your car normally, no spirited driving, just drive normally so that the gearbox can relearn how to drive again. So once this is done, hopefully this will reset my gearbox. I don't know, I'm waiting now. Then once 1 minute passes, then I'll show you what to do. Okay, so I've just gone over 1 minute now. Then I'm going to turn off the ignition and then my foot off the accelerator. Then I'm going to remove the key from the car. Once I have the key with me, then I'm going to lock the car. Okay, so the car is locked. Then I'm going to unlock the car and then foot on the brake normally, as I would do when I start the car, and then key in the ignition. Then I'm gonna start the car, and I'm hoping that everything has been reset to factory settings, and I'm gonna take it for a drive, just driving normally, really, no hard driving, so that the gearbox can relearn how to drive again. All the solenoids and everything else needs to, come to the party, have a meeting and decide how they want to do things. I am taking the car for a drive so that it can relearn how to change gears basically. So let's see how the drive goes, but overall I think everything is fine now because I'm not driving it too fast, but obviously the reset will give it that nice smoothness. Hopefully it's going to change gears much better, but it needs time to relearn and reset and do what it needs to do. So this video is mainly just to reset the gearbox and then see if it actually makes any difference. Let's give it time to adapt and reset and do what it needs to do. But overall, that's the procedure really, like follow it as it is and then see if it works. Yeah, but as it stands, that's what it is. That's how it's supposed to be reset. And yeah, let me know what you think. Comment down below and we'll take it from there.